Hi all. So sometimes when I'm bored or want some challenge or solve some task, I searching the web for those tasks, and I found interesting forum of the company RobotICT, and there is every week they're posting some tasks. So for this video, I thought it will be interesting to solve this task, but as you can see, I've already, yeah, that's me. I've already solved it, and you can find the source code on this side or in the comments in my repository for my solution. I think for me it's a little bit messy. So they task out this challenge. Take some input, go word by word, and open it, and replace the words, if possible, with the emojis. So this solution also be push it to my Git. So both of them you could easily find. So let's start. For me, this will be much interesting. Emojis, but okay. First of all, I've better say a little bit or something like this. So I've launched the dev console and search for the JSON for any response. So as you can see, here is empty, here is also empty, but here we've got a lot of funny stuff. So let's work with it. So opening address, and important thing, JSON. We will use activity. Of course, it's possible to use only code using assigns, but it's hard to send for people. Okay, so first of all, let's get HTTP request. Son. Okay. Bring to our JSON, as you can see. Yes, this is cheat, but why not to use this faster? Okay, next step, we need to deserialize it. Realize JSON. So, okay, so got the sign result. So direct result. So object. So we will get JSON, then we deserialize. Forgot the add important thing. Input. So user input. Enter the text, and if the input is empty or user closed this input, the bot will use default value. So text or close the bot up, and bot will use default value. Str input. Next, if user not entering, not entered, and the text. But then we will use default. So string null or empty str user input assign default text. Yes. So as default text, we will use this text. Why not? Okay. So that's all for this part. Um, next will be very interesting. So let's sorry. For each, we will iterate all of the JSON elements properties. Okay, check in JSON. We will work with the JSON link JProperty. So let's check JSON link property. Oh, so object JObj in JSON object and the end of the process I will print. I think it would be better to print initial value and what we've got. So let's create our string, and it will be equal to our user input. I think it's fair. So next step, string. So next step will be simple assign. Right. String. So we'll use str string. Here I will do little magic. Someone. So str to string and replace, and then I will start drawing. This next will be list. Oh, sorry. Yeah, but because we don't have any values here. So first of all, just I will create list of JSON, all JSON values. So just and update it. Oh, sorry. List MP. So a list of strings. And now we will just so let me be clear. So it will be because so I will use a string join, so it will be easy to read some cases for someone's. So join this. Next, I will pick J object. value, and that's all. So we've got string, but we need to convert it to mm, to our list. By the way, contact value. So let's try this. Will look more simpler. Uh, Something wrong. Let me check what. Yeah, JToken unable to. So I was right. Okay, so with create with semicolon as separator, then we will yes, funny, split it by the send symbol and convert to list once again. So next, we will check uh, our temporary list temp contains any of the temp string values. Then we will replace this string values. So if list temp intersect temp any, then place for that would be temp list temp intersect str string split by space those any, then we will do some replacements. So here we go. First of all, starting here, replace. Here we will use string join. Wait for this steps. Join temporary list intersect str string split semicolon. Oh, sorry, space to list, and then we will select f to string 3. So we will pick element which intersects, and then replace it with the object name. I think must work, but let me check the error. String to share. Okay. So the problem I forgot to mention that here we will need to share. So and that's all for this bot. So let's print using two logs. Int, and then you start user input star tempest. So let's run it and hope it will work. Okay, empty. workers for. By the way, yeah, let's run it, and it will be. As you can see, in real time, it works better. So, need to replace only one word. So, to work more smooth and correct, look how it was looking here. Okay, something like this. We could easily do some stuff like prepare the initial string. Place dot comma and make it lower case. So it will be working. As you can see, here's the text. Oh, I'm zooming. That's all. Thanks for watching. By the way, yes, of course, there's possible to add additional modifications to create remove even for each and work with almost 2 assigns or even 1 assign. But there will be a very complex link expression with regexes and a lot of other stuff.